Okay, I'm going to show you how to use Kidblog. The first thing you need to do is open a tab and go to kidblog.org and then you're going to put in either Schlegel's theme if you're in Mrs. Schlegel's class or Petronella's theme if you're in Mrs. Petronella's class. And enter. This will take you to our page. And the next thing you're going to do is log in. In the top right corner, you'll see the login button. Click on it and find your name from the list of students. I put in a test student so that I could show you how to do this. Your password, if you're in Mrs. Schlegel's class, is the same as your username for logging into the computers. Not your password, you're using your username that you use to log into the computers. Put your password in and click Login. It's then going to ask you to set your own password. I believe it has to have 6 characters, but otherwise it's up to you. Please, please, please create something that you will remember. And confirm it. And now you're logged in and on our blog page. In order to edit your own blog, you can look down the members on the right-hand side and find your name again. And I can see that I don't have any posts on here. Up in the top, there's a new post button, and this is what I'll click to add my post. You can choose an image to be the header on your post, so it's not in the main message, it just is at the top. And you can choose one of your pictures that you've taken for your photo essay if you have one that you think would look nice at the very top. They also have built-in headers on here. You can choose one of those if you want to. I guess it would make more sense to me to find one that you've taken yourself, since this is all about your photography. So you should have it saved in your H drive. You're going to search, or maybe in the S drive, wherever you have it saved, you're going to search for the picture that you can add to this. So let me find a picture that I can use. I don't have great pictures like you guys have taken from all around the school, but I do have some pictures that are on here. So let me see, maybe I'll do from a trip that we had. I'll choose one of these pictures and click open. Keep in mind it's going to be in a specific size. It's going to be a little longer and skinnier than most of your pictures. So you want to make sure it's still going to look nice like that. And it takes a minute to get it all loaded. And now we should be able to go back. Oh, you want to make sure you click insert to actually choose it. And insert, and now I can see that is the header for my page. The next thing you're going to do is enter a title. I'm having my students call it Walk Them Through My Eyes. And your post is going to be adding your pictures in here and then giving little descriptions about them. You can see I have some options down here to make some changes on what my page looks like if I want to. I can choose different colors, different designs, different fonts if I don't like what it has already. And then I'm going to click directly into the box underneath to get the content for my post. I want to insert a file because you're going to look for your pictures. So you want to upload more pictures that you can use. So I'm going to go through and find another picture that I want to use and click open, and that should now add that directly to my blog post. And I'm going to go to Insert. Now I have this picture on here, and I want to tell a little bit about it underneath. So this picture, you're going to explain how it represents Whatcom to you and something about one of the composition techniques that you used. After you have some text, you can find the next picture that you want to add. So again, you're going through back to the file. The nice thing is it goes back to where you got your last picture from. So if you have them saved all in the same place, it's not going to be too much navigating once you've found your first picture. And you're going to keep adding pictures this way until you have represented Whatcom through your eyes and you've shown some examples of all 4 of the techniques we talked about in class. You can save it at any time as a draft if you're not done and you want to keep working on it. And you can review it to see what it's going to look like. And then when you have it just the way you want it, you can publish it. So let's see what this looks like if I review it. So now I can see if people go to this page, what it will look like. It's going to be a long list of your photos with text underneath each one. All right, have fun.